This is elevator number 4 at the IKEA store in Robinson Township. Okay, guess what brand it is? This is also a Dover, modernized by Schindler. Oh, got the door for you?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No problem. This is also a Dover, modernized by Schindler. Go down to 1. And unfortunately, this IKEA, unlike some that have Dyson Airblade V hand dryers, this one is white XL dryer accelerators. Whoa! Here are 1. Go 2. Let's check out the call station. Dover. There's your interlock. It's an ECI. There's your, just like the other one, matte BSB plastic, hands-free 88 code plank phone, capacity 2500, car number 4. This was a Dover Oildraulic from 1989, modernized in 2018 by Schindler with HXpress. Here are 2. That was elevator number 3. We just rode 1 and 2 are freight elevators. I do not like that voice at all. What?